Go ahead and crank it up real quick. Y'all see that? Y'all see that bee on my back? Yo, stop playing with me. I ain't even gonna let it warm up. I'ma just go.
Are you looking to get into a Hellcat?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You can always switch. The Hellcats are really hard to come by right now with the factory being shut down for a little bit. They're playing catch up with all these orders.
Right.
So you can actually probably build one and get it here quicker than just waiting on the dealership to get one in.
Right.
They do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. They do it. Come on. Come on. They do it. They big living boomkas. They do it. They big like a boomkas. They do it. Come on. Come on. The big level boom cause she liking my flow. Big being on all bitch called the scope. Beat the bar to ride with me and lit bow. I know that bitch like her, she threw up the foe. No roofing on that bitch gon' hit the dough. I'm in the hood with my bro. No slime on the dude, but I still wipe your nose. They do it. They do it. Bring my twin out the pin, he the real lost star. Used to pull up and shoot up the water. Now show us the nigga they talk. They do it. Hot little boy on that hot boy.
Get ready to head to this car show. It started at 9. Right now it's 9:54, so you know you gotta make some kind of interest, but it's an all-day event, so I ain't really missing nothing. I definitely won't about to get there at no 8 in the morning though.
History in the making.
What's up with all the fours? Okay.
He had some money, but he didn't want to.
I'm in the showroom, but I'm getting ready to head out to where all the other stuff is. You know, the more up to date. It'd be hard recording at events like this because they be having copyright playing. Then I have to throw music over it. Everywhere I go, he be here. How you doing?
Good, how are you doing?
All right. How y'all doing?
Oh, Lord.
Yo, how you doing?
Yeah, trying to be like you.
What you mean? I got this in the other video.
Well, I didn't, so I wasn't sure that. And we were out and about, so.
Y'all didn't see it on Facebook?
These bitches. And I told them.
I thought they had another towards like.
Yeah, that's over.
What's up? Are you camera ready now? No. Oh. How you doing?
You didn't hear him? He just told me, he said, "Damn, why you didn't come dressed to impress so we could take pictures?" I'm like, today's my off day. My casual day.
95 muscle.
Yeah.
And the other one is I-95 shutdown.
Okay.
Well, I always like coming out and seeing your baby, you know.
Let me see your phone. I'll type it in for you.
Your car's on the girl's side back? It's here?
It's back there by yours.
Oh, so you just got here?
Yeah?
Oh.
Kinda, a little bit.
I know it's green as heck.
Yeah, it's back there at the back.
Okay. Alright, well, I'm gonna walk around, guys. I'll see you guys.
What's going on, brother?
I just grab people's phone and subscribe to my channel, you know. Because they say they're going to subscribe, but, you know, I have to be sure that they're going to subscribe.
You're still in all that shade.
That team went to move. I went to. You're looking good though, brother. You looking good as always. The both of them.
No, another show that I was at. Oh, okay.
Judged cars is $20. Non-judged is $10. Our classes today include 1980 and below, 1981 and above, top 25. Also the best pre-1950, the best GM, the best Ford, Lincoln, or Mercury. Also the best Mopar, the best Corvette. I think I'm looking at the best Corvette right now. The best Camaro, the best Mustang, the best Challenger, the best Charger.
That would be me.
Truck, best Jeep.
If I was the
best other.
Yo, I'm about to say,
also, we're
what that
looking
little
at
boy
the
doing
best
right there?
motorcycle cruiser, the best sport motorcycle, and People's Choice. The People's Choice judging will start.
Yo, they better
at
get their
1:30,
kids.
and that's for veterans in attendance. You are the people judging today. Competing vehicles have already begun at 10 a.m. The event's open to the public now. Judging starts at noon, and People's Choice has a correction. That starts at 1 o'clock. Beer judging from 1:30 to 2:30. And our award ceremony will begin at about 3 p.m. this afternoon. Visit our venues. I'll be telling you more about the vendors throughout the day today. Again, welcome to Brandon Through the Mill. It's the Car, Truck, Jeep, and Bike Show here at I-95 Muscle. Thanks to DJ CD for the sounds this morning, and welcome.
Alright, I done came myself. I'm ready to go. It's hot out here. And I got driving people. It's like I don't like to be in one spot for too long. And this gonna be an all-day event. I ain't entering my car in because I ain't staying out here no all day. So I'm getting ready to head out or whatever. I done did my little swerve through, got all the cars on camera. I would have entered the car show, but I'm not about to stay out here all day. Like I said, today is too pretty to just be sitting in one spot. I'm ready to ride. Make sure y'all like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe if you ain't already subscribed. But if you ain't subscribed and you've been watching me, like, what's wrong, yo? My car is parked right there. I never forget. Oh, they got a Hellcat. That's a GT. Basic. They really ain't got nothing here. All I seen was one Hellcat. That's it. I don't know if y'all can see, but you know, I did a video on that. It's still in there. I'm doing good.
Good. Do you need help looking for anything, ma'am?
Y'all gonna let me test ride this Hellcat?
So we can't test drive the Hellcats, unfortunately.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I can get the keys for you, though.
Can you get the keys for me?
Yeah.
I just wanted to drive it. It's got the red seats. I do not like leather. I hate leather seats. Somebody said something in the comment section like, she got cloth seats. Yeah, I don't like no leather seats. Ain't my leather armrest already cracking. So imagine the seats. This is 2019. It's got 12,000 miles on it. I thought it was brand new. They got that stuff right there off Amazon. You can tell. Crank it up then. Okay. They got to have the mids cut off because they don't start at that loud stop.
No. Yeah, so it was one of our parts guys. He had it for a little bit, then he bought a house, so he got a truck, so that's why he traded it in.
Right.
But yeah, he cut
The mids ain't resonators?
I'm sorry?
Resonators too?
I'm not sure on that one.
I can tell the mids automatically.
Yeah.
I bought that car from the same spot, the exact day.
Yeah.
Last year.
Oh wow. Yeah. Yeah.
But they want what? How much for it?
Let me pull it out. I think we're selling for like 61 and some change. So they got 12,000 miles on it. Let me pull up the price for you though. Yeah, the red interior. He changed the rims on here too.
Yeah. Tires definitely.
Yeah.
Them Pirellis. Are they $275?
Okay, so we're selling this one for $60,982.
Got 12,000 miles on it.
Uh-huh.
Y'all must have just got this here not too long ago.
Yeah, not too long ago. It traded in maybe like a week and a half ago, somewhere around there.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Yeah. Are you looking to get into a Hellcat?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You could always switch. The Hellcats are really hard to come by right now with the factory being shut down for a little bit. They're playing catch up with all these orders.
Right.
So you can actually probably build one and get it here quicker than just waiting on the dealership to get one in.
Right. But y'all still got that wide body Challenger in there?
Uh-huh.
I thought it'd be gone by now.
I thought so too. I was surprised it's not.
I'm gonna drive y'all Hellcat anyway.
In the block getting busy, we play with no six, bitch, I'm tripping. This week got me spilling my liquor. The choppers got bins on the bottles, I don't give a fuck about the bitch, I'ma fuck all the sisters. Say you want to smoke, you can get it. We out here thugging big lots, we ain't running for shit. Bitch, we loaded, so shit gon' get lit. I'm stacking investors for future moves, trying to get rich. Let's keep it real.